Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm about to open my bestyle box for April 2021. I have really no idea what's in this box. I did not go out to the website to check out the preview. If this is the first time you're hearing about the bestyle box, this is a seasonal subscription box of beauty and clothing from the 2Orchids, Karen and Lauren, and from Kristen, who has a boutique in their neck of the woods called 850 Blues, and they put together a box filled with so many things to enhance your life, like makeup and perfume and luxury items and clothing. So I know that the 2Orchids have their new perfume, and they just came out with one for the summer season, and I loved their winter season perfume. So I'm gonna open this up and show you exactly what's inside. My mailman did a little number on my box here, but I don't care as long as the inside is good. All right, so it looks like there's some kind of a Louis Vuitton dupe or so in here. I see some kind of clothing item, and I see a ring in there. So I'm gonna start taking them out one by one. Oh, sunglasses, some kind of cream here. I don't know if this is, oh, this is a body lotion of their new scent. And this bag looks amazing. All right, so one by one, I'm gonna take the pieces out. So this first item is kind of a soft, I don't know how to describe it, maybe like a cotton lycra blend, and it looks like it might be a cami. It is a cami. Wow, this is really pretty. And it has a nice weight to it, and it's got the pretty lace. So this is awesome to wear underneath your low cut maybe shirts or dresses in the summertime. It's got a nice long length to it, and it is just really nice quality. I like the silver gray that will go with a lot of things that you'll be wearing this summer. Celebrate our earth by planting flowers. This is sustaining bliss, and this little heart, this little blue heart, is a flower that you can plant in your own yard. Wow, that's pretty cool. So yeah, you just take this little thing off and you place it under a thin layer of soil and water, and let the flower begin. Let the flower grow. Wow, that's really, really cool. Oh, this goes with the sustaining bliss too. What is this? Perfect for any cleaning job. Oh, okay. So you wet this and you can wipe stuff down. So this is very eco-friendly. Yeah, eco is a better word. Dishwasher safe, machine washable, bleach when needed, washable, reusable, durable, absorbs 16% of its weight, and lasts more than 6 months. Super absorbent. And then it tells you to wet it. I might go wet this for you so you can see what it's like. All right, so I wet it. It's, you know, very pliable and squishy, and this will be great for cleaning up the kitchen or the bathroom, wiping stuff down.
Right.
Now this is supposed to be something to do with the perfume that the 2Orchids is it right here too. Douce de Tendre. I don't know if I'm saying that right. There you go. I think this is like a little sample for you to try, and I hope that I can get it out of here. It looks like that's what that little strip is in there. I know when they did their winter scent, it sold out like so fast. It has the same kind of feeling or scent as the winter did, which the winter had the vanilla tobacco by Tom Ford. It really had that scent to it. It's a lighter version of that scent, and I love that scent. That is a beautiful scent. So smells really, really good. I wish I had some to put on. And I do have a little, this is a hand and body lotion, and this is their scent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some on. I just took off the cover, and I'll just take it, whatever's on this little top part. It's light and it's but it's sweet, but it's also got that yeah, so when you put it on, it has the lighter top note that comes through. That smells really, really good. It does. It's the spicy, I don't know how to describe it, but if you like that sort of, yeah, spicy, warm vanilla tobacco in the background. Yep, I'm gonna be trying to get my order in on the boutique whenever it goes on for sale. It might already be for sale, I'm not sure. Alrighty, so the next thing is a pair of really, really cute sunglasses. They have like a little bit of gold bling, which looks really designer. I really, really like this. It has a designer feel to it. It feels really good. These are cute. I'm not sure how they're gonna look on me, but oh yeah, I really like these. These have a very designer look to them, and they feel just really lightweight. These are by, I can't read that without my glasses, Allure Eyewear. Really cute. That's why it's so fun to get the bestyle box, because you can get these really neat individual things, and they really do support entrepreneurs in their local entrepreneurs and different people who are you know, who have their own clothing lines or accessories. And I really, really love these sunglasses. And like I said, they do have some designer bling on the side. So yeah, these are definitely my new sunglasses for the season. Love them. And then we've got a ring. Let's check this ring out. I'll try this on. Really cool. Very pretty. Very pretty ring. And the last thing in the box is this really nice wristlet. And it really does have that Louis Vuitton style, like the Never Full Bag. I did a video on a dupe, and this really does match that. And the inside is really cute. It is roomy, very roomy. This is perfect for the summer when you don't want to take a big bag with you. It's got the little pockets for your phone, your glasses, and then it's got a zip pocket here if you wanted to put something in here and then seal it up. This nice little pocket here. And it is definitely very roomy. And this is a wonderful little clutch bag to take out and about this summer. I'm really happy with this cami. I think this cami is really gonna fit really well. It's gonna come down nice and long and feel comfortable. Yeah, I really think that everything in this bestyle box was really great. I love the bag. I really do. I really love this little wristlet bag. I love these sunglasses. I think these sunglasses are fabulous. And I love the cami. I think that the cami is really high-end, really high quality, and it feels like it's going to be really great addition to my summer wardrobe. And I definitely will be carrying this little wristlet out and about this summer. It's just really flexible and soft. It's not stiff at all. Once again, just a wonderful bestyle box. I love the eco-friendly products to try. I love your new scent. Smells absolutely wonderful. I will definitely be looking to try and pick up some of this for the summer season. It definitely has a lasting scent. It's beautiful. Just like the 2Orchids. Thanks, Karen and Lauren. Thanks, Kristen from 850 Blues. Another great bestyle box. Can't tell you how happy I am with all of my products. And I am just going to take these sunglasses and put them in my purse and take them everywhere I go. So, thanks everybody for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing, and I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. Thanks again for watching this video, guys. Take care. Bye for now.